A cozy clearing in the heart of the forest. Benny the bunny, Sally the squirrel, and Oliver the owl gather under the shade of a giant oak tree.
Hey pals, let's explore the forest today.
Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to create kids animation stories for YouTube using Chat GPT and Canva AI. Today, we are going to explore how to create fun cartoons for kids on your YouTube channel. Our comprehensive guidance will walk you through each stage of the process, catering to both beginners and those with prior experience. We are here to assist you in generating engaging story concepts that resonate with kids, selecting suitable voices for your characters, providing insights into the art of drawing and animation, and enhancing your cartoons with fantastic music. By the conclusion of this venture, you will possess a comprehensive understanding, arming you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to produce exceptional videos that not only entertain but also impart valuable lessons to the young minds engaging with your content. Before we get into the specifics, let me provide a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let us get started. Making a super cool kids cartoon is like going on a fun adventure. And the first thing to do is create a story that everyone will love. There are two awesome ways to do this. The first avenue available to you is to leverage the prowess of Chat GPT, an AI assistant poised to be a valuable ally in the development of a compelling storyline. The beauty of utilizing Chat GPT lies in its ability to assist you seamlessly. All you need to do is present it with a prompt such as, "Write me a short kids animation about," and then articulate your story concept. Introduce your characters with their unique traits and specify the number of characters you envision being part of this animated tale. It is also crucial to furnish details about the scene backgrounds, creating the atmospheric backdrop necessary to set the stage for your animated adventure. By tapping into ChatGPT's awesome skills, you are not only making your storytelling journey a whole lot easier, but also more fun. Whether you have been creating cartoons forever or you are just starting, ChatGPT is your creative sidekick, making the process a breeze. So, whether you are a seasoned storyteller or a newcomer to the worlds of kids' cartoons, ChatGPT is here to be your trusty companion, making sure your cartoon is not just good, but absolutely fantastic for all the little viewers out there. Now, let us explore the second amazing way to create your awesome kids' cartoon. If you are bursting with inspiration and feeling super creative, you can decide to write your script all by yourself. It is like being the captain of your own creative ship, steering it in the direction of your imagination. And to make this journey smoother, you have some trusty companions, simple tools like Notepad or Google Docs. Picture these tools as your creative playground. They are like magic notebooks where you can jot down all imaginative ideas swirling in your head. It is your chance to be the storyteller, crafting a tale that will make the young minds watching go, "Wow, that is cool." So, whether you are a fan of ChatGPT's AI-powered assistants or you want to dive into the hands-on adventure of manual scripting, the key is to make sure your script is like a well-built house, solid and captivating from the very start. Using tools like Notepad or Google Docs give you the freedom to shape your story exactly the way you want. You get to decide what happens, who the characters are, and where the adventure unfolds. It is like painting a picture with words, and these tools are your paint brushes. So, whether you are typing away on your keyboard or scribbling down ideas with a pen, the goal is to have a script that is not just a bunch of words, but a magical guide that takes your young audience on an exciting journey from the very beginning. Because in the world of kids' cartoons, capturing their attention right from the start is the secret ingredient to a super-duper awesome show. Now that you have wrapped up creating your script, get ready for the next thrilling phase, making your characters come to life with their very own unique voices. It is like the characters are getting their own special superpowers through their voices. And for this magical process, we've got an awesome tool to introduce to you. It is called 11 Labs. Before we jump into the world of voiceovers, though, let us take a little pause to make sure we know each of your characters inside and out. Think of your characters like friends with different personalities. Some might be super funny, while others are brave or maybe a bit shy. It is like putting together a team of heroes, each with their own strengths and quirks. So, grab your script and start making a list of all the characters. Give them names. Jot down what makes each of them special and think about how they might sound when they talk. Now, let us talk about 11 Labs, your secret weapon for creating amazing voiceovers. It is a tool that helps you turn your written words into spoken magic. Imagine your characters jumping off the page and speaking right into the ears of your audience. That is the power of voiceovers. So, as you get to know your characters, keep in mind how you want their voices to sound. Is the hero's voice strong and confident, or maybe a bit goofy and silly? Is the sidekick's voice high-pitched and energetic, or calm and soothing? The key to great voiceovers is making sure each character's voice matches their personality. That way, when kids listen to your cartoon, they will feel like they are right there in the adventure with your characters. So, before you hit the record button on 11 Labs, take a moment to envision how each character's voice adds that special touch to your animated world. Because when the characters sound just right, the magic of your cartoon truly comes alive. Now, as we keep having fun making awesome cartoons for kids, the next thing we are going to do is make the cartoons move. It is like adding a sprinkle of magic to your story. And guess what? We're going to use Canva, a really cool and easy to use place that helps us make our pictures come alive. So, if you've got your story written down, characters ready, and their voices are all set, it is time to make everything visually exciting. Canva helps you show every part of your story with pictures. It is where your characters come to life, where the sun rises and sets in your cartoon world, and where all the excitement happens. So, get ready to explore Canva, where your ideas meet the pictures and your story becomes a colorful, moving masterpiece. Let us have a blast turning your tale into a cartoon that is not just fun to watch, but also looks super cool. To get the animation going, you start by choosing a background that fits your story place. The first step in this creative adventure is to choose a background that fits the place where your story unfolds. Imagine your story taking place in a magical forest filled with adventure and surprises. In Canva, the awesome platform we are using, you can explore a variety of forest-related graphics and images. The cool thing is, you can adjust their sizes to make them just right for the scenes you have in your mind. Once you have set the perfect background, the real fun begins, animating your characters. This is where your imagination gets to run wild. In the animation process, you get to breathe life into your characters. They can interact with the world around them, talk to each other, and follow the exciting storyline you have carefully crafted in your script. It is important to keep in mind that you will be animating your characters step by step, scene by scene, following the flow of your script. Each animated scene you create adds a piece to the puzzle, gradually building up your entire animation. This gradual approach not only makes your story more engaging and captivating, but also visually dynamic, creating a mesmerizing viewing experience for your audience. So, as you move through your story, scene by scene, you are not just telling a story with words, you are showing it with moving pictures. It is like turning your story into a little movie that is not only fun to watch, but also brings your whole imaginative world to life. Get ready to keep adding these magical touches to your animation and make your cartoon a truly mesmerizing experience for everyone. Now, let us dive a bit deeper into the world of making your cartoons amazing by adding something extra special: background music. It is like giving your cartoon a magical soundtrack that makes everything even more awesome. Music has this incredible power to change how we feel, whether It is making us happy, excited, or even a little bit scared. That is why adding the perfect background music to your cartoon can take it to a whole new level of fun. And guess what? TuneTanks is a great place to explore for lots of songs that you can use in your cartoons without any worries. So, imagine you have found the perfect music to match your cartoon's vibe. The next step is to bring it into your project in Canva, like adding the finishing touch to your masterpiece. But here is the thing to keep in mind. You don't want the music to be too loud, covering up the talking into your cartoon. It is a bit like making sure everyone can hear both the music and the story without one being too loud and stealing the show. When your cartoon has just the right music playing in the background, it makes watching it even more fun for kids. But here is the cool part. The fun doesn't stop there. Canva is like a playground where you can do lots of creative things. It is not just for pictures and musics. You can also add words, cool sounds, and little pictures to make your cartoon even more exciting. This means you can make your cartoon not only super fun to watch, but also something that keeps kids interested and wanting to see more. Canva is like a treasure chest of creative possibilities. It is not just about making things look good, it is about making them come to life. So, whether you are adding music, words, or cool effects, Canva is here to help you make your cartoon a fantastic and interactive experience for everyone watching.
A cozy clearing in the heart of the forest. Benny the bunny, Sally the squirrel, and Oliver the owl gather under the shade of a giant oak tree.
Hey, pals, let's explore the forest today.
Great idea. What do you think we'll find?
Who knows, maybe hidden treasures or new friends?
They embark on a playful journey, encountering friendly creatures, giggling rivers, and swaying trees. As the sun sets, they gather back at the clearing.
Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this guide I shared has been super helpful for making awesome cartoons on your YouTube channel. Just remember, a well-written script, cool voices, fun animations, and awesome background music are like the building blocks for success in making cool videos for kids. Now, I'm pumped to hear about how things went for you. Was making your animations a smooth ride, or did you run into some unexpected bumps? And most importantly, are you happy with how your cartoons turn out? Your thoughts are super important. So, drop them in the comments below. Your experience could totally help others on their creative journeys. Thank you for watching. And again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.